Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Guerrieri. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a STEM 8 teacher here at Fieldstone, and today what I want to do is show you some of the courses that we have at the high school. So far you've gone through STEM 7 and STEM 8.
I teach 7th grade STEM at Fieldstone Middle School. Currently what we are working on is we are creating solid fuel rockets. This is a great project because it introduces students to the parts of a rocket, how it's created, and also problem-solving skills, which are so essential for any person. Next year, these students will have the same opportunity, but just at a higher level to increase their STEM skills.
Today in STEM class with Mr. NRCSD, we have been working on self-portraits of ourselves as pro athletes. The legs can move and kick the ball, and also the ball can move up and down. I learned that you can use 3D stuff instead of having to use 2D stuff.
In order to be a good engineer, you have to have a whole design plan. I added some notes on things I wanted to add, and I drew a picture of how I wanted it to look.
I love computer science, and some of my friends do too, so this is why we joined the Robotics Club, to code drones and also just the enjoyment of playing around with drones.
If they like what they're doing in STEM, they have further opportunities to take technology classes, engineering design classes in the high school.
If we piqued your interest, please take a look at all the courses that we offer. Today what I want to do is have you meet some of the teachers that teach those courses, take a look at some of the labs that we offer with all the tools and machines, and also see some of the students and their work that they've done this year. I hope you guys enjoy.
I'm the freshman level DDP teacher. DDP is Design and Drawing for Production. DDP is a great class because it's teaching problem solving. Students learn how to take a complex issue, a complex problem, and break it down into its components to a successful solution. A big project the students are working on currently is the cardboard bridge project. It's a lot of fun. It takes about 5 weeks to do, but we start right from the very, very beginning, just building paper towers, just out of regular copy paper, and then we go to corrugated cardboard, 48 inches wide, where they build a bridge that spans 48 inches and has to take a Tonka truck with steel plates across it.
A great opportunity for teamwork.
Outside of the classroom, I would have never gotten to build like a bridge like this, so it's pretty cool.
I teach grades 10 through 12 for construction, manufacturing, and transportation technologies. Construction manufacturing, we go over basically building a house, woodworking, foundations to roofs, and then woodworking, just being able to build projects in here in the shop. Transportation technologies, we cover cars, buying cars, working on cars, brakes, engines, metalworking, welding, sheet metal, kind of wrap everything all up into one. It's the problem-solving skill we really want you to have. You will learn how to use all the tools, welding, cutting tools, torches, table saws. Our skills that we're hoping to get you to do is just basically basic hands-on, so you can do things for yourself when you're out in the real world.
The engineering program is a 2-year program, starting off with juniors. We talk about the basic principles of engineering. As they move into their senior year, they work with more of an independent study, working on their senior projects. Focus on real-world messy problems, in which the students are really looking at the fundamental nature of what the problem is and what a solution might entail, and kind of working through those problems and going through the process that any engineer would possibly go through. We do a lot of rapid prototyping with our 3D printers.
I'm part of the Academy of Engineering here at North Rockland. One cool thing we did this year was my senior project, which I created a fully 3D printed mechanical hand.
We do go from the theory on the computers and we put it into the real practical world by putting it down into the shop and making the actual objects.
I hope this video gave you a better look at what our high school technology education program has and does. We're looking forward to having you guys come and get involved in the tech program. It's a really good spot to be.